Okay, let's solve more questions from chapter 5. Where may standard techniques for P3O exist in an organization? Option A, reported in a management dashboard within corporate standards and the policy. Option C, within a business case. And option D, as a part of P3O implementation plan. So standard techniques are the repository that's stored within a corporate standards and the policies. So B would be the most correct answer over here. Let's see. Yeah, that is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 292 says, which describe how P3 and 3 assessment are used when implementing a P3O model. Option A, define the skills needed in the implementation team. Option B, document new processes to be followed. Option C, assess project program complexity and develop a trend-based plan that suits the maturity level. Which describe how P3 and 3 assessment are used when implementing a P3O. So believe D would be the correct answer, that develop a trend-based plan that suits the maturity of the organization. If it is a level 1, then you can change the trench accordingly. So I believe D would be the most correct answer. Yeah, it is. Question 293 says, which tools provide integrated report for a multiple user from a single set of data? So there are options available. Facilitation workshop is a technique, is not a tool. Okay. Complexity modeling, again a technique, it's not a tool. Enterprise P3O solution is an example of the tool, and benefit realization is a technique. So this is all are your technique, it is only your tool. So I believe C would be the most correct answer over here. Yes, that is the correct one. Let's move to the next. Question number 294 says, what type of facilitation workshop is held for the purpose of identifying threats and opportunities? So identifying threats and opportunity. Threats are a negative risk and opportunities are a positive risk. So risk identification, risk assessment, that is the correct answer, D. But still, let's review lessons sharing. It's not the identification. Business solution is not the correct. Problem solving. So D would be the most correct answer. Straight away you can jump to the option like risk identification and risk assessment. Let's move to the solve more questions. Yeah, that is the correct answer. 295. What benefit is provided by the capacity planning for resource management technique? So remove barrier to project delivery caused by lack of resource capacity. Provide the relative priority against which allocate resources to the project. Allow individual resources to identify what development they require. And D, connect individual to allow information flow between the resources. So this is your knowledge management stuff. This is your skill related stuff. Provide the relative priority against which project. It's a prioritization technique. Remove barriers to the project delivery caused by lack of resource capacity. That is the correct answer. So A would be the most correct answer. Let's see. Yeah, that would be the correct answer. Okay. And the justification also given. Thank you very much.